This is a video of a Galaxy box fan with a blade from a Lakewood HV-18WR window fan, and I put the blade on there, and I have the original blade right over here, and I have the original blade, and I'm gonna show you as soon as I get it. Come on. But here's the original blade that went to it. But now I put the Lakewood HV-18WR blade. Here it is on high. Ain't that cool? Yep, it sure is powerful. It turns that blade real nice. Listen to that. That's pretty cool. Motor is kind of slow, like it's not gummed up or anything. But here's what it sounds like. See that blade spinning. This is just a quick video on it. Then back to medium, and then back to high. Man, doesn't that just sound awesome? Motor works just fine. Here's a spin down time on it. Here's the back of the fan. Here's the motor view of it. I know Tori the fan man would like this. But here is just the motor. Here's the motor, and here I'll give you a startup sound. Here's the startup sound on high. Here's the first startup sound. You can hear the motor making a funny noise, but here's the medium startup sound right here. Sounds cool, doesn't it? Yeah, the switch is messed up though, but kind of ticks. But then I'll get it on low for you. As it spins down here, this is just a kind of like almost a quick video though. And then I'll put it on low if I can get it there. Here's low. Sounds best on low. Here's where it sounds the best. It's got a Marco motor on it. And then we'll go ahead and turn it off. Switch is buggered. Because the knob messed up, I'm going to turn it off. Galaxy box fan with a Lakewood HV